Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. This prevents damage and forces the system to rescan hardware. Once the tray is out, place the primary SIM in slot 1 and the secondary SIM in slot 2 with contacts facing down, then reinsert the tray. You do this now because the OS acknowledges physical presence first. Once the tray is seated, boot the device so the software can detect both carriers and begin network registration. After booting, go straight to Settings and tap SIM card and mobile networks. This is where you enable dual SIM mode and assign roles. You enable each SIM, then choose which SIM handles mobile data, voice calls, and SMS, pick based on tariff or coverage. Make sure to set preferred network types, 4G/3G per SIM, because conflicting network settings can block data on one SIM. Once configured, the phone will register both networks. Now test everything. Place a call from each SIM and send an SMS to confirm outbound routing. This verifies role assignments. Then open a browser or run a speed check to confirm mobile data uses the chosen SIM. If not, toggle airplane mode for a quick re-registration. If a SIM won't register, restart the phone, then manually check APN and carrier settings. Incorrect APN often blocks data. If problems persist, swap SIM slots to rule out a faulty tray or carrier provisioning issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.